we are going to do some more shape review today. So we've done some fraction review with shapes, and now we are going to go with the actual names of shapes. So the first page I think is going to be really easy for you. The second page there may be a couple of questions you have, so we'll look at those, okay? So here on the first page, this one is simply identify which shape it is that we are looking at. So here it says square, and next to square we are going to do red. So every square that you see is going to be colored red. And remember, squares have to be the same on all four sides. Okay? But if it's got four sides and they aren't all the same, then they are just a regular rectangle. So remember, squares are a special type of rectangle, but they are going to get their own color here. So all the rectangles that are not squares, you are going to color with green. Okay, so rectangles are green. And you know what? I'm actually going to put here too, just a reminder of what a square. All four sides are the same. Okay, a rectangle can have some sides that are shorter. Okay, every time we see a circle, we are going to color it blue. And every time we see a triangle, it will be colored pink. Okay, so like I said, this front page I think is pretty easy. It's just identifying which shape is which and coloring it the right color. The second page, it is asking you to put the names, and we have a word bank down here, but you know what? Some of these words we haven't looked at before. So I am going to give you a little instruction on what some of these extra ones are, okay? So a square, we've talked about a square. Okay, so I'm going to just leave that one. Octagon. We haven't talked about an octagon. We have talked about a hexagon. So over here we have hexagon. Notice it says agon at it. Well, that hex is a prefix, which actually means 6, because a hexagon has 6 sides. Well, here I have agon again, but this time it says octagon. Octagon. Octopus? We've heard octopus before. That's another time the prefix oct is using. What is a fact you know about an octopus? Are you thinking about how many tentacles it has? It has 8. Oct is a prefix, which means 8. Okay, so octagon has 8 sides. Can you see a shape up here which has 8 sides? Okay, it's over here. So this is the octagon because it has 8 sides. Okay, trapezoid, we've seen that. Circle, we know. Okay, parallelogram. I'm going to make myself big again here for a second. Lines that are parallel are lines that are going the same direction. Not lines that are connected to each other, but that are next to each other going the same direction. Okay? If they are going opposite direction, so one's going up and down, other side to side, that's called perpendicular. Big words. Parallel lines are going the same direction. So a parallelogram has sets of lines going the same direction. Okay? It doesn't have all the lines going because then it wouldn't be a closed shape, but it will have 2 lines going the same direction and another 2 lines going the same direction. So, wait, can you see what shape I'm kind of making now? Okay, squares and rectangles are types of parallelograms, where they also have what's called a right angle. But there are a lot of other parallelograms as well. They might be going a little bit sideways, but still with a buddy. Okay, so looking at these shapes, do you see which one has lines that are paired up with a buddy going the same direction but isn't just a rectangle or a square? This one. Okay, so that is a parallelogram. Okay, so we've done octagon, we've done parallelogram. You can do rectangle and triangle. Pentagon, here we have that agon again, and this time it's pent. And pent means 5. So a pentagon has 5 sides. Do you see which one is a pentagon? It's right here. Okay, so these 3 on the bottom were new, but these 6 on the top, you should be able to pick from the words in the bank. Okay, so that is the math today. You can come back tomorrow and see if you got it all right. See ya!